stock greens from the garden and garden onions, some garlic, and some fresh eggs, cayenne and sea salt, and Szechuan pepper. Today I'm working on this painting, and unfortunately I didn't have the camera ready when I was sketching it out. Oh, the camera is really blurry. There's all kinds of bumblebees and swallowtails that land over here in our garden. So I have taken some blue paint and I have sketched out the outlines for the milkweed and the bluebells, and I haven't really worked on the peas yet. But you got some basil here, some purslane. I'm going to show you this really wonderful plant, amaranth that grows. This is wild amaranth, and the greens are really delicious. I really love to eat them. It's like my favorite summer snack. So, a lot of people like to cook greens, but the amaranth ones I like raw. We've got some eggplants. We had a big spruce tree over here, and when it fell down, all of a sudden we got more sunlight. So now we can grow eggplants and tomatoes, which we haven't been able to do for a long time. So this is the first year we'll be able to do that. We've got this little wild apple tree, crabapple tree that is growing. Oh, let me show you something that's in season. These are cotoneasters. They're just a really beautiful bush. Evening primrose. When they'll make seed pods, and you can eat those, and they're full of vitamin E. They're really healthy for you. Okay, here's our Nanking cherry, and the kids love to eat these. Supposedly it's not related to a regular cherry. They don't grow in the same pattern that cherries grow. The camera wants to be blurry. But when they ripen, they turn super red, and they taste like a regular cherry. So I I kind of feel like they are related to cherries, but I could be wrong. So this is our garden. It's kind of a serendipity garden. It's not like a typical garden. A lot of weeds that are medicinal, we've let them grow and we've introduced them. So, and here's a drawing I've been sketching of the Coreopsis flowers. So I like to study the flowers and the bugs that live on them. And here they are over here. Let me show you the comparison. We'll see, and we've got all kinds of little bugs and creatures that land on the flowers all day long. Here's my, there you go. There's my picture. And there's the plate. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.